Hello, my name is Niwan Lee and I am redesigning the ParkMobile app. ParkMobile is one of the most widely used parking apps in the United States and is commonly used around the University of Georgia's campus. While the app is functional, the experience can become frustrating when users are in a hurry and trying to pay for parking quickly. My project focuses on improving the parking payment experience for first-time and occasional users. The redesign is guided by 3 goals: making the experience more intuitive, more efficient, and more flexible. Users should understand where they are parking, complete the process quickly, and only pay for the time they actually need. To better understand the experience, I created Tom Bennett, a 58-year-old retired firefighter in town for his daughter's graduation at the University of Georgia. Tom has moderate technology experience, but like many occasional users, he wants to pay for parking without second-guessing whether he completed the process correctly. Here we see Tom's experience using the current ParkMobile app. After downloading the app, he's immediately asked to create an account before he can park. Once he reaches his parking sign, he must manually enter a zone number. The app never confirms the actual location name, which in this case is Tate Parking Deck, leaving him unsure if he selected the correct parking area. To continue, Tom has to read through multiple instructions and manually estimate how much time he needs. The overall experience feels slow, uncertain, and stressful. This user journey map highlights where frustration increases throughout the experience. While the process begins with minor issues, the biggest pain points occur when selecting parking time and ending the session. In the current app journey map, 4 major issues emerged. First, there is no checkout option. Second, users enter a zone number but never receive confirmation of the actual location. Third, QR codes exist on parking signs but cannot be scanned through the app. Finally, users can only pay in hourly increments. Now let's take a look at my redesigned experience. In this redesigned experience, users can immediately continue as a guest without creating an account. When they arrive at a parking sign, they can either enter the zone number manually or scan the QR code directly through the app. After scanning, the app confirms both the zone number and the parking location, giving users confidence that they are paying for the correct area. Next, users receive visual guidance showing proper license plate visibility instead of relying on text-heavy instructions. When selecting parking time, users can now enter an exact end time and see the cost update in real time. Finally, the confirmation screen provides a clear summary of the session, helping users review everything before payment. After the redesign, the emotional journey for the user improves significantly. Many of the frustrations we identified earlier have been removed, resulting in a smoother experience with much less stress. Ultimately, the redesign is all about respecting the user's time. By removing unnecessary barriers and simplifying decision-making, the app becomes much easier for first-time users and occasional users to navigate independently and confidently. Thank you for your time.